All-On-4 Zirconia arches are some of the most common kinds of dental implants. However, creating these kinds of restorations require knowing about specific techniques to deliver high-quality and durable implants. So in this video, we'll share some of the basic techniques used when fabricating All-On-4 Zirconia, as well as showing how dentists insert the arches into the patient's mouth. Stay tuned. First, we start with designing the zirconia on the computer in Exocad, based on information provided by the doctor. After the designs have been finalized, we send the files to our milling machines, which mill out the arches in zirconia. From there, the zirconia is then shaded for its first layer of baking. After being shaded, the zirconia is baked in a dental oven. After being baked, the gingival tissue is built up on the zirconia. The teeth are also shaded during this time. Once everything's finished, the zirconia arch is placed once more in a dental oven for baking. After the last baking, the implant screws are cemented into the holes of the zirconia. With that, the All-On-4 Zirconia is complete, and it's given to Luke for one last quality check to make sure everything looks good and fits correctly.
This is for nice lady. The same things we create is really detailed. When you see the video, it's too bright, you don't see much color, but this is what exactly we produced the laboratory from the gingiva and the tissue contours, trying to mimic the natural as possible. And then we put the subtle membrane and the translucency all together. Insertion embrasures make a little bit round here. They're all different components from the natural. Great buccal corridor, both sides. That's why it goes into the patient's mouth. Same thing, this is micro layer. So I'm glad to see the patient in that video from the New York. So this is made from Chicago. Okay, so people keep asking about our address, but you can contact John Vargas in New York. See below our link. He will go and take care for you. So I'm the laboratory guy, so who fabricated this.
If approved, the zirconia implants are sent off to the doctor to insert into the patient's mouth.
So I just got this back. It's a full contour zirconia hybrid for a lower, sitting on 5 implants by Straumann, BLX. Beautiful by Luke, LSK121. So I'm using the Opterdam, and as you can see, has upper hybrid plastic and a lower. Here's the lower. We're going to try it in, and I'm just trying to find where the hybrid is sitting on the multi-units, and I'm just trying to feel it. There, got it. And I'm going to speed up this video, and I'm going to put all the screws in, and I'm just going to hand tighten for now. Eventually I'll bring it to 15 Newton, but now I've got it in, and it's beautiful. He had before lower severe periodontal disease, and you can kind of see he's still getting used to that bite, and that midline does line up eventually, and that upper will be our next one to transition into the zirconia. Right now that's the upper conversion hybrid, so that's still acrylic, but a beautiful result. Very happy with that.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in seeing more dental restorations like this, follow Luke on social media at Luke Kahng. For more exclusive dental restoration content, join our Patreon at patreon.com/Luke Kahng.